Hello, my name is Liz and I took the Fundamentals course with Angie Torini, and this was actually my fourth time reviewing the Fundamentals course, so very grateful to be able to monitor with her. And Angie really put it in a way that we can understand, and she gave good examples of how to do the techniques and how we can put it into in a daily life, and to be able to interpret the information in such a way that it was really easy to understand, and it was knowledgeable and made sense. And she's very has a lot of experience doing sessions and being able to teach. So I highly recommend taking a fundamentals course with Angie Torini. Thank you so much, Angie. So many blessings.